It's Monday, the 13th of December. Me and Foxy just done a school run. I just walked in the door and Binksy has. No, leave Gary alone because he's comfy. Leave Gary, he's comfy. We just got back from school. Binksy's just climbed on me. Ari's new bed has arrived. It's in the hallway, which is exciting. So get off the cat. So me and Foxy today need to sort the bedrooms out ready for get off him. Ready for the bed to go in. Oh my goodness. Careful, because you're gonna fall. Sit down next to Bandit. Binksy, you are getting heavy. You need to actually hold on if you're gonna do this. Because at the moment you're just gonna fall. Look. Go on the floor. Yeah, so we've done the school run. We're back home. Slippers are on. Foxy's building a tower. I'm gonna have some breakfast. Good morning, Gary. Good morning. Say hi to Bandit. Good morning, little Bandit. And Binksy's gone in a tub. Good boy. You being a jelly boy because I stroked Bandit. You jelly boy. You jelly boy. You coming up? No? Right. Let's get on. I don't think I showed you outside actually. It is still a mess. But the shed is in place in the corner. Underneath that is just the canoe and some extra wood. But Ben's going to build a little bike store between the shed and then we're going to get a new shed for the chickens to live in. And then all this will be gone. But yeah, it's still a mess. But it is slowly getting there. We are slowly doing it. And hopefully we'll be in some kind of ready state before Christmas. I did make big progress this morning because I took out most of the presents from in here. I've still got ones over there to wrap, but another part of Ari's bed there. I put them all on and in this unit for the moment. I put all the shoes in the cupboard and then just put all the presents along there, which has made a huge difference. So I can actually do my washing, which is nice, and I can wrap presents in there. But yeah, it's a Monday, so I can't imagine we're going to be doing a lot other than moving furniture. But first, coffee and breakfast. To him, but that is so cute. Don't give it to Gary. Foxy eat him. Are you sitting with Gary? Gary doesn't want to eat it.
Mama eat it.
Thank you.
Mine.
That one dirty now. Foxy eat him. No, Foxy eat it. Hi. So it's 11:37. Fox is asleep on the sofa downstairs. I had therapy this morning. She made me do a timeline. It was like, we need to start back from when you were born, and was like going through everything. And it's like, you just forget about like what's happened and stuff. And I was like, oh yeah, and then this happened. Oh yeah, and then this happened. And it's just like, fucking hell, I sound like I'm off EastEnders. But yeah, Fox is sleeping. Ari's new bed's arrived. So I took Foxy's bed to bits. The frame of this is a bit knackered, but we're going to reuse the slats in the catio. So I just had Ben's drill and I was like arguing with it because I couldn't get it to work, but I've done it now, it's fine. So that bed is there. Fox is having, there's two beds there. Ari's got two beds at the minute, they stack on top of each other. So Fox is going to have those. And then Ari's bed, her new bed will be in there. So I'm just going to take this to bits, clear the floor, give it a hoover, and then I'm going to bring the other beds across. Just took the mattress off Ari's bed, and it's just teddies. She has so many teddies, it's unreal. I don't even know what to do with them. So yeah, I'm now going to move these into Fox's room, and fuck knows where I'm going to put these teddies. What are you watching?
What are you watching?
Google. Lucky boy. So Fox thinks that Elsa is called Google because we have a Google thing and we say, hey Google, play Let It Go. And it plays Let It Go. In his head, he thinks Elsa is called Google. So we just go with it. So he's watching Google. I look like a bag of smashed crabs. I've just done some of Ari's bed. I was going to carry on, but then I realised it's like 4:15 and I need to make the rest of our dinner. So we're having yeah, you're having a movie. This looks disgusting, but it's not. It's savoury mince. So it's this is all cooked. This has been in the slow cooker. But it's just mince and lentils and beef stock and bovril and all the beefiness. And then I was going to do cornbread with it, but I'm not confident Ari will eat cornbread, so I'm going to do cheese scones instead. But that is the plan. So I am now going to make that. I'm just absolutely knackered. Absolutely geflunked. So the cats are being really cute. They're playing with a little, a bit of fluff or something. What you got? Gary? What's he got, bandit boy? This was the cardboard from one of the bits of Mika's. I think he's got a bit of polystyrene. That's probably what he's got. Jibby, 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 jibby. Jibby, 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 jibby. Yeah. Oh, there's a Binksy boy. Binksy boy. Who's that Binksy cat? Gary. They are so cute when they play like this. I love it. The bandit's going to sneak on in now. So cute. Here he goes. Get him! You gonna get him? Big cat. You gonna get him? Get my camera. You can get my camera, cheeky boy. This is my go-to scone recipe. This book is well loved, as you can see. It's covered in crap. I've had this a long time. It's a nice one because it stands up on its own. It's got lots of lovely different scone recipes in. Savoury cheese ring. Get in. So yeah, this is what I'm making. I always double the recipe though because Ben eats cheese scones until they come out of his ears. So this will do him for the next couple of days for lunches and stuff, along with the mince. So I will double this. Did you get her? Get her, Foxy.
Get Aya. Not hot.
Scones have just come out of the oven. You smell amaze balls. Malicious. Who likes scones?
Me.
Say malicious.
Malicious.
See ump. Foxy, see ump. See ump.
Beep.
You booping my glasses.
Beep.
Ouch.
Beep.
Don't boop your eyes. That's silly.
Nana, my eye.
Nana, your eye. You want to show Nana?
No. Hold that bit.
No, that my camera.
Hold that bit.
No.
Hold that bit. Hold that bit.
Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kiss. Oh, you're kissing the camera. Oh, wow, lovely.
Like.
Hey, it has been a really busy day, and I am at my emotional limit with my therapy today and various things. So that is all I'm filming for today. But tomorrow's a new day, so I'll see you then.